In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Hyundai Sonata key fob. This particular key fob was used between 2006 and 2014 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing your battery is very simple and it can be done at home. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. If you'd like to get one online, I'll leave a link in the description to get it on Amazon. It's just a couple bucks and it'll come right to your door and then you can follow along. So let's start just by looking to the top of the key fob for this little slot. That's for opening it up. We're going to put a flathead screwdriver into this slot, gently twist, just until the whole thing comes apart or until you get a little separation on the side like that, and then you can continue working down, twisting, and it will all come apart. If this circuit board might come out like this, it might just be positioned in there. I'll just show you how to put it all back together at the end. So we're going to take this out. Now we have the battery, the CR2032, and we're going to need to push it out of place. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver and just push it until I can remove it with my fingers. Now, take a new CR2032 battery, make sure that this positive side with the battery information goes up, and simply slide it down under this piece of metal all the way down until it kind of sticks in place. Now, if it all comes apart on you, just make sure you put this side of the circuit board into this little rubber thing so the battery's facing up, and that should just fit in nicely, and then this goes on top of these buttons here. If the buttons fall out, go ahead and put this one in first. The two are connected, it's very simple. And then you can take your trunk key, turn it over and see, okay, that side goes up, that side goes up. Just flip it carefully, position it in place, and then it will all lie flush there, and you know that you're good to go. You just put this on top of those little buttons, and you should click everything back together, and the light will come on showing you that everything is positioned and your battery has juice. So if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, and for more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire guide on the Hyundai Sonata. Thank you so much for watching.